Right, this is Amy Sadler with part 2. I forgot to mention the part number verbally, but it does say part 2 in the video description. This is part 2 of how to make the back rooms using Sketchup 2017. Now this is where we were up to last time, and I did say that for this model I would use skirting boards because I've cross-referenced and they are used. They're not used in the movie ones, if you look closely. And there's some backroom images, if you also look closely, where some of the walls have the skirting boards in there, and there are some that don't have the skirting boards there. I use that. I should have done that in the first place. I don't really know those lines. Right. Yeah, I feel it's wide enough. Now, how do I get it on here? Right, and on these walls. I'll show you. Another hack here for you. Double left click, make group. We're copying that face only. Bring it out. And we need to bring it up against that wall there. Right, we know it's up against the wall because, see, it's like that. That's how we know we've got it up against the wall properly. And then we come down and we'll bring it to the end corner like that. And then what I'll do, I'll just do another one. Control copy, Control C. Put it right down there on the end so it matches up. And then I'll do the same thing and repeat for that wall, that wall. When I want to do it sideways, there's no way to get it to be the same, which I'll show you how to do that as well. That side wall, 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 that, this, that side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. Don't need to do this side because I'll be going along and drawing around, going around that area. Right. So I'll do that off screen. So this is going to be a very short recording because I don't want to see you watch me do all that because it's going to be a lengthy process. And I'll do all those sides that I told you about, and then I'll show you how to do these sides on. So, sorry for this one for being short and quick. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. You don't have to, you don't want to. But I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. And I'll save there. Never forget to save manually. Unless you save automatically, have yours on save automatically. And goodbye.